Yes. It is your boy Bonnie again. And I am in Hitching today on another walking video. So as I said, my viewers, my subscribers and my fans, follow me on this journey as I take you on another walking video in Hitching. Yes, also I'm in Hitching today. So as I said, my fans, remember, this is a walking video, and today I am in Hitching. So, as I said, my viewers and my subscriber, you're following me on this walk in Hitching. Yeah, so I'm in Hitching Town Centre at the moment. Yes, as I said, I'm in Hitching Town Centre. Right. So my fans, I'm at the hitching market at the moment. The market is closed up. Everything is quiet. But I am here today for the river. So I am gonna try and do a little river tour. So yeah, this is the river. This is the Hitching River. And I am here today because I want to do a little river tour. So follow me as I give you a little tour on the river bank. The last time I come to this river, it was so heavy and there was crayfish in there. But it looked like because we have this drought and everything, I don't know what happened. I can't see anything in the river. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go back to the other side of the river to see, because the last time I come here, this river was a lot bigger than this many years ago. And I know we have drought now and everything dry up, but I'm still gonna go the other side of the river to see if there is anything over there. It would be a shame for me to travel all this way to get a glimpse into the river and don't see nothing at all in it, but you know what, I'm here. Follow me, I'm gonna go over the other side of the river. Yeah, so straight in front of me there, it is the market. But I'm gonna go straight across over the other side where the river come out. Yeah, so this is the Hitching market. And as you can see today is Wednesday. And the market is complete empty. There's nothing going on here today. It's complete empty, as you can see. As you can see. But what I'm here today for is to view the river. Look in there. Yes, I'm gonna go over the other side now. I can hear duck over there. So as I said, my view, as you can see, I'm at the river now by the Hitching market. Give you a wide shot. There's a lot of duck over the other side. I'm gonna go across there as well. Yeah, so I'm just outside the Hitching market by the river. So over behind that bush is the church. Yes, as I said, this is Hitching River. We have a duck box there where the duck, the lane. Yes, my viewers and my subscribers, as I said to you, I'm taking you into Hitching today to do a walkabout with you, to show you some of Hitching. And as you can see, I'll show you the river over the other side where it is just coming down through a narrow channel. But down here it is wider. But as you can see, we know it's in a drought time now and the river is a bit low. But I'm decided to take you on a walkabout Yeah, so this is a walkabout in Hitching along the riverbank. So I'm gonna take you a bit further down on the river still, but follow me as I show you more of Hitching. So as I said, I am actually in the churchyard now. There's a lot of birds in here. So literally I'm gonna go back out onto the riverbank. I'm just showing you a little bit of this side. Then I will take you back out into the riverbank because I want to show you more of the river. Yeah, so here I am again, back out on the river. So if you notice how wide the river is here, but once I cross over that road, it's gonna go back into a narrow stream again. But I don't know if I'm gonna get the chance to show you anything live in the river. But I'm still walking, still looking to see what I find. So they put this iron bar here to stop the rubbish from going down into the narrow part of the river. Yeah, this is iron bars to stop the rubbish from going down into the narrow part of the river. So they're just come and scrape it off from here. Yeah, so the river gone underneath this road. So I'm gonna cross over to the other side now, where the river continue. Alright. Yes, my viewers, so as you can see, the river come back out here. And if you notice, it's very small down this side. But what I want to see, if there is anything in this river, I can see some little fish, but they're too far. I can see some little fish running down here. They're too small to pick up from up here. They're closer. As I said, many years ago I come here and there was little crayfish in this river. But if you notice, the river is so low now. If I'm gonna get a chance to see anything, but I'm going down some more on the river bank still. So as you can see, my viewers, the river gone underneath here and it run underneath this building. It run underneath this building and it go across under the road. So straight across this building, it go across under the road and under that next building over there that you can see. Yeah. Yeah, so it's come underneath this building here. It's come underneath this building, across the road, and continue underneath that building over there. So I'm gonna go around the back of this building. Yeah, so video that you watched the other day with the classic cars was on this road. The one with the classic car was on this road. Yeah, so I'm gonna take you around to the other side behind those buildings over there. Keep following me and watching. So my viewers, as I said, this is just a walking video in Hitching. Remember to like and share and to comment and subscribe to the channel. Yes, my viewers, as I said, the river come out right down underneath that, but I want to go over to the other side of this bit here. So as I said, you can see the river come underneath the road from over the other side here, and it come out over this side. But if you notice in there, I can see a lot of little baby fish, but because I'm very high up and the water is dark, I don't think you will see them. Yeah, you can see them now. Yeah, you can see them now. Lots of them. Little baby fish down there, lots of them. Well, I said many years ago when I come here, there was crayfish in this river. Look at that, my fans. Look at that, my viewers. Yes, I don't come here for nothing. There's a lot of little fish here. So I don't know when I go further down the river if I will manage to get closer to anything. Yeah, so I can see a lot of little baby fish running down in the water. A lot of little baby fish running down the water, but as I said, it used to be crayfish in this river. But I'm gonna go further down the river course still and see what I find. So follow me, my viewers, because the river gone behind that wall. So I wanna see if I can get around there. Yeah, so as I said, my fans, my viewers and my subscriber, I'm in Hitching and I'm doing a walkabout. So follow me on the walk, and don't forget to like and share. Yeah, don't forget to like and share. Let me find back the river. Yeah, so as I said, the river come behind that wall. So I was over the other side. So the river come over here and it's run all the way underground down here. So I will find back where it come out. Yeah, so as you can see, down here is where it come out, and it's very narrow down here. But again, it's gone underneath there, and it looks like it's gone underneath that house over there. So I'm gonna follow this river a little bit more, my friends, and see what I can see. Yes, my viewers, so as I said, the river come back from over there and it's come under here. But as you can see, down here it's well overgrown. But I'm still gonna show you. I can't see nothing much in here because it's overgrown in here. But follow me still as I take you on a little tour. Because I'm trying to see if any crayfish still in this river, because I know there used to be a lot of crayfish in this river. And this is what I'm trying to find out, if there's any crayfish still in here. So as you can see, my viewers, the river is quite big down here, so it's going into like nothing and then they come back. But I'm still trying. See, the river is quite wide all over here. It's quite big, but it overgrown down here. But what I'm trying to see, if there is anything in here. The water is clean and pretty down this side door. But I would love to know if there's any crayfish still in this river. So yes, my viewers, what I'm doing, I'm literally walking the riverbank. I'm walking the riverbank, but as I said, the river is very low and I can't see anything. But as I said, I know I come here before and there was crayfish in this river. But as I said, we've been getting a lot of drought. We've been getting a lot of drought. As you can see, the river is very low everywhere. Everywhere the river is very low. So yeah, but luckily I managed to see some small fish in one area of it. Down here, so it's quite wide down here. So my viewers, as you can see, I have traveled the river so far, all the way down here, and all I can see is baby fish. I know there's something in there, but I can't get close to the water because of how the place stays. So I follow the river from the market all the way down here, and as you can see, this is what the river looks like. I know there's things in it, but I just can't get close to the river to see it. So yeah, I find this is Hitching River. Yes, my viewers, so this is Hitching River and it's gone further, but I am not gonna follow this river because I think I come far enough down the river and I can't see anything. So yeah, thank you for following me so far on this walking video in Hitching. So at the moment I'm in Sainsbury's car park and I'm just walking out to the road. Yeah.
Di carattere che guarda.
Yeah, so as I said, I'm just walking back up the high street now, driving back where I start my journey from. So yeah, follow me, keep following me on the journey, and keep like and share. Yes, as I said, this is a walking video in Hitching. Remember to like and share, comment and subscribe to the channel. So I'm walking along Hitching High Street at the moment, as you can see. Yes, my viewers, so I just take you on a long walk around Hitching town center. Don't get me wrong, I never walk the whole of Hitching town because Hitching town is a very long and big town. But I give you as much as possible I can bring into it. Respect. I bring in a lot of what I can bring into it. So as you can see, yeah, so there's a lot of the town that I bring in. So remember, as you watch the video, remember to like and remember to share and remember to comment. So I'm coming up to the end of this walk now. So yeah, before the video ends, my viewers, if you like what you see, give the video a thumbs up, share the video, comments And if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, my viewers, I would appreciate you do that now, because what you're doing is actually supporting the cause, you know.